Okay, so let's start with the. So NgKore is at the Linux Foundation Open Source Summit, Japan, and Aditya is representing there. So if anyone is there, so meet with him and discuss what are the things are there in the NgKore, and he's also tech member and vice president of PQC chair. So you can discuss with him whatever you want to in the cryptography industry.
Yeah.
Then on the
Today,
PQC working group. Oh, sorry, Aditya.
yeah, today was the
Can you
day.
give a brief of
Yes.
this?
Today was the day two, and most of the talks are around AI, automotive system, and plus some of the threats there are security talks as well. So, but a lot of people from like different companies, and I got the chance to talk to a lot of people about OpenSSL. And interestingly, I was not expecting this, but some of the guys were also interested in PQC, and they also included it on their slides. So really good opportunity. And as part of OpenSSL, we are trying to organize a meetup next year here in Japan. So I was also trying to like find some of those folks who might be interested for this event. Yeah. Overall, like good event.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And talking about the working group PQC, Aitara, did you have a talk with Mega regarding the progress in the CUSSL part?
Yes, yes. But before that, I want to ask. I don't know whether this is the part of agenda or not. To schedule the
Mhm.
working group meetings for the.
Yeah, I mean, like I put it in the end.
Okay. Then it's fine. Yeah, let's talk later. Yeah. So the initial testing that we said. Okay, we said like we should post something on the GitHub. But before that, we wanted to test, and the good news is we have now successfully tested CUPQC with OpenSSL. We were initially trying to create a OpenSSL provider for testing CUPQC, but it was causing some issues, and we didn't have hardware. But fortunately, we somehow got access of one EC2 instance, and the GPU that we are using is, I think it's T4, which is like SM75. So now what we did, we like instead of going with the provider route, this we will do later, like provider, create a very dedicated provider. But instead of creating a provider, we changed the source code of OpenSSL itself. So we changed the MLCam file, which was calling CPU for MLCam encapsulation, key generation, decapsulation. So directly in the open source code for the MLCam part, we called some of the APIs of CUPQC, and now we are able to do TLS handshake, which takes MLCam by default. But now the change is like instead of the OpenSSL MLCam, we are able to successfully use GPU. So CUPQC is being used. We now the next thing is to of course create a PR that we will do. And also we are the second thing that we are trying to do is do the benchmarking, overall benchmarking, what effect did CUPQC had in this integration. We did a simple, like a single handshake. In that single handshake, CUPQC, the PQC based GPU based PQC handshake was comparatively slow than CPU. Uh, but GPU, the use case of GPU is not this. Like GPU, when the workload is too much, we need like hundreds of thousands of handshakes. I think in that sense, the GPU will perform better. So next thing is to do the benchmarking, the very good benchmarking, and hopefully we will also try to create a research paper around it. So this research paper part is potential, like not really sure, but the benchmarking is next. And the GitHub PR, I'll make sure that by next week, because I was waiting for it to work successfully. Otherwise, it didn't make any
Mhm.
sense to generate a PR. So now we have done this. At least the initial release we can do.
And Aditya, I just wonder, like you mentioned about the provider part. So, what is this provider actually doing? Can you give me a detailed brief about this?
Um, well, we were going with the we were earlier like initially we were going with the provider route using
Mhm.
creating a provider for OpenSSL. So what this provider will do is this provider will call CUPQC, and now we will inject the GPU based PQC implementation. So right now OpenSSL use like their own native implementation of PQC algorithms while doing the TLS handshakes, right? So this
Mhm.
provider will not use those TLS. Instead, this provider will bring this provider as it says like it will provide the CUPQC, that is GPU based PQC algorithm. So we were initially going with that route, but we had some issue. We consequently like constantly facing some issues. So instead of going with the provider, which we will do later but not at this moment, we changed the source code of OpenSSL itself. So no provider at the moment, directly changing the PQC part, MLChem part to be more specific, with the CUPQC
Mhm.
MLChem. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing, like so OK provider, sorry, not OK provider, Leave OQS does the same thing. Like you can use the CUPKC on their as a provider. I mean, like you can use CUPKC or any other library algorithm through this.
Mhm.
So have you tried that as well?
Yeah, we have already done this, but who wants this? Like, no, 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 right now nobody wants to go with libOQS, then run OQS provider, then through OQS. So firstly, it would be like CUPQC integrate CUPQC with libOQS, libOQS integration, then libOQS connects with OQS provider, then OQS provider calls to OpenSSL. So this was the like earlier story. We have done this, of course, we have done this, but what now I want is like instead of like using these three components, why don't we just use OpenSSL itself and change the OpenSSL code, because a lot of things does not make sense. So this additional layer of libOQS and OQS provider was needed because PQC was not there in OpenSSL before, but now PQC is there in OpenSSL. So want to completely remove these two layers, additional layers.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
And the next thing is like GPU based PQC on AI and block, and it has been completed by Aditya and us, Mega, and me. So can you give a brief about this too, Aditya?
Yes. So if you can you open the blog?
Yeah, sure. Um, yeah, I guess that's the
Oh, yeah, yeah,
that
yeah,
is
we can
good.
see. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is like now we started everything with ORAN. So we have done a lot of testing of ORAN, how to use cryptography to secure ORAN. But now the main focus these days is AI RAN, like to use the AI RAN workloads for your whole RAN. So what AI RAN does is the idea is still the same, but AI RAN now uses a lot of GPU, uses a lot of good hardwares. So now every workload is shifting towards AI and GPU. You know, overall the main workload that we were used to do with the FEC, Intel accelerator, now it has all been shifted to GPU. So now the main workload is shifting to GPU. So why don't we shift the cryptography part or the security part on the GPU as well? Why need to buy another cryptography accelerator like QAT, which will additionally we need to put on your systems in order to do the security cryptography. So forget about that. Forget about ACC 100. Forget about those things. Just buy a GPU. This is what telco is shifting towards. Buy a GPU, which different telecom vendors are doing, and use that same GPU for security. So now, using the same idea of CUPQC that we were creating with OpenSSL, that same CUPQC, that's GPU based PQC algorithm, will now also be used in your AI RAN to do the cryptography and to secure your AI RAN infrastructure. So we added one example of CUPQC with the mid-haul part, that is ODU and OCU, and we are able to secure the mid-haul part of AI RAN. Yeah. Additionally, we have also added performance and takeaways. So I would also like to add the LinkedIn post of it, and anyone who is in this meeting has not like liked it, supported it. So please, I would be really happy if you guys show some support as well. Thank you.
Yeah, this thing. And leave us still with EVPF. Uh,
Yeah,
Satyam.
hi.
Yeah.
Satyam and Shubham,
Yeah,
yeah.
hi. So, I had a call regarding this with Satyam 2 3 weeks back. He gave me some few more introductory tasks. Uh, few more introductory tasks. So it is still in progress. No major updates as of now.
Mhm. Okay.
Sure. But there is progress, so I'm really happy for that.
I'm working on it.
Mm-hmm.
So probably when I contact with Satyam, I will have more updates on this to give.
Yeah. Is Satyam on the meet? Oh, he might be busy. Okay, so fine. Yeah. Anyways, Shubham, you can like always approach Satyam to take like do the follow up things. And in fact, like I today I shared a YouTube video link,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah. So the interesting story is today I was at the this open source summit, and there was a team on eBPF. So now there is Linux Plumber event, and one of the major dedicated part is eBPF. So those guys were I pitched this idea like now we are trying to do the symbol and all. So he suggested me that video. Please have a look. You guys might your idea might align with what the speaker is saying. So please have a look.
Sure, sure. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. And once again, I really appreciate like new faces, Subham Jain, and to join and doing more contributions. Thank you.
Yeah. True. Next thing is that so PQ Proto is currently on hold. I will most probably start in January or from the next from the second or third week. Currently, I'm working on a new video on a strong sound based IPsec weak internal between CUTU at F1 interface. And actually, I have done most of the work. I'm actually working. I'm looking at Wireshark packets to see like how to validate these things and all. So that's still in progress, and the video will be out by December, by this month.
Oh, nice.
And the next thing is this performance comparison of so last meeting, there's a video on Jostle deployment, which is in backend using OpenSSL version 5.3 maybe.
3.5.
So sorry,
Three. It would be I think 3.5. 5.3
sorry,
is
3. Yeah,
maybe next to
all
next
around.
year. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm like looking for a performance comparison between Jostle-based implementation of OpenSSL and BouncyCastle. Both are Java-based cryptographic library, and there might be some major comparison between this. And I've also posted this on the OpenSSL community. So yeah, I mean, like it has not been started by me yet, but I will be doing it soon on this.
Yeah, thanks. And have there been any recent GitHub PR activity on that OpenSSL Jostle project?
I just raised an issue regarding the Java, um, like it. So there's an issue I faced recently, back 3 weeks back. So it was a minor issue. I mean, like they're suggesting we can use any kind of Java JDK,
Mm-hmm.
but I am facing some issue with the which Java JDK was that Oracle might be. So I raised the issue like what is the reason behind them. They have also posted some comments on that. I haven't reviewed yet.
Ah, okay, okay, sure.
Yeah. Then AI working group. Buffy is there. Buffy in the meet.
I don't think so.
Okay, we'll get back to him. And Satyam.
Neither Satyam.
Okay, he's not there. And yeah, there is a telecom working group. So in that, I'm currently working on another project as well, where I'm deploying OA oven adapter with the OA entrance stack with the OSC SMO, and I've also prepared a deployment guide. I also am looking like there might be a video on that as well, or maybe just limited to the deployment guide. It is just a uh, short one, so it might not need a video on this. And the second one is a blog on the OA1 adapter and SMO components. It will be a little late, maybe on the first week of the January. So I will be doing on that as well. And second, similarly, I mean like same domain, same base, same components with the iOS MCN based OI adapter and OCM SMO. I'm having discussion with Ronak, who is from ISC Bangalore. But currently, I'm stuck at an error of ON adapter not able to find certain parameters. Most of them are CU config ones, so it is having some problem with the OIGNB Telnet connection. It works with the simulated environment, but it is still on hold right now because he's out for a couple of days. And the next thing is Indian deployment guide. So Shankar has completed this one and also uploaded a video on the NgKore YouTube channel and the deployment guide. Shankar is in the meet.
He just left.
Oh, okay, okay.
Anyways, let me also put
Uh,
the LinkedIn post. Yep.
yeah.
Yes.
And then the next thing is collaboration opportunity. So, Aditya, do you have any lead on
Um.
those pre-patchy
mm,
collaboration part?
it seems negative at the moment. Maybe you can remove it from the list. But what I was thinking to also it's like holiday time for them. So maybe in the starting of January I will ping them again. But it seems negative at this moment.
Okay. Same on my end
Mm-hmm.
because so in December there's like so much holidays there, so
Understood.
most of them are inactive right now. Okay, no problem. Next thing is email scheduling. So NGCO TAC meeting emails are not pending from the calendar part.
Yeah.
Shankar is still working on it. I mean, like Shankar got the email, but none of us get it. So I have to manually send it to everyone. Shankar is working on it. And the second thing is like uh, we have uh, from the last meet we have come to a conclusion that we will hold working group meetings, bi-weekly meetings per month. And for the tag meeting, we will shift it bi-weekly to monthly, maybe on the month end on Tuesday, and also add agenda discussion. Okay, so no problem. And this is the voting conclusions, like telecom working group. It will be around 6 to 6:30 on bi-weekly Tuesday. And by the way, I have this like I checked it. So on Tuesday it has tag meetings on it, so it might be conflicting a little bit. I tell you have any.
So why don't we do like the uh, 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 why don't we change the monthly tech meeting to the third week instead of the fourth week?
Yeah, it might work. Or maybe like the telecom working group meeting minutes for the first week and the third week, and leave the tag meeting to the fourth week.
Okay, so the
How that?
telecom working group is causing conflict, right?
Sorry.
The telecom working group timing is causing
Yeah,
conflict. Yeah.
right, right.
Yeah, yeah, I would like ask you guys to like whatever you guys want, because you guys would probably leading it, so I'll leave it up to you, whatever you think is reasonable.
Okay, maybe I just write it there. Then first week and the third week.
Yeah, because let's
So,
let's not change the tech pretty timing again and again, I think.
yeah,
Yep, thanks.
and I have a suggestion to add, like, so this is a security working group, and yeah, why not we add some working group leads so that they carry out the meeting of minutes and discussion regarding this.
Yes, yes.
So, uh, I and Shankar can um, do for the telecom working group,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
and
just I'll
you
I'll take
take
care of the security. You also write it now, write the name there, like,
okay,
yeah.
yes,
Okay, so for the people who's like out of context, we are hosting the technical advisory committee meeting monthly. Like that means like on the fourth week of every month we will host the NgKore TAC meetings. It will cover the overall NgKore functioning and things, and once that is done it will also cover the points from different working group. So at this moment we don't have many people, so we are only starting with three working group. The first working group is telecom working group, in which we will take care of the telecom, NTN, all the existing things we are doing, all the existing projects that we are doing. And the second working group is security working group. This will take care of your for our cybersecurity ideas, especially PQC at this moment, because that is the most most important thing we are doing at this moment. And the last one is AIML working group. This will, as the name suggests, it will take care of the AI part. So these working group meetings would be done bi-weekly. That means once in 2 week. So once in 2 week we will have these bi-weekly meetings. Now whoever is interested in the telecom side, he will join the telecom working group. Who is interested in the security working group, they will join the security working group. And who are interested in AIML, they will join the AIML working group. Now it's not mandatory that you you have to join all the meetings. It's very flexible, it's all up to you. Whoever, like, if you haven't, I have interest in security and AIML, so I will join the security and AIML working group. And similarly, other guys can join more than one, whatever you guys want. Yeah.
at the end of the meeting, like on the TAC meeting, we'll be discussing about what are the updates on this particular working groups. So
Yeah.
that will be more organized for those who just want to get the updates on all working groups and who want dedicated, like I want to attend this particular working group, so they can go for it.
Yes. And
So and
Satyam has joined.
yeah,
Satyam, so we were like, since it's very new, we were trying to like find the lead for telecom, for working group, different working groups. So for telecom working group, like Subham and Shankar are thinking that they can lead the overall working group meeting. For security, I am putting up my name. Would it be possible that you can lead the AIML working group, like doing bi-weekly meetings and see how it works? How, if it doesn't work, then maybe we can do some changes. Would you be open to that? Satyam, am I audible, Satyam?
Hello, hello.
Yeah, Satyam.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What you said, your voice was cut. Can you
Oh,
repeat again?
okay. So since we are starting the working group and it's very new, so we want to find the people who will lead those working group and like basically uh, lead the development, lead the meetings, how to drive, like what are the ideas and all. So for telecom working group, Shubham and Shankar is will be the one who will lead this working group. So taking care of meetings, development, what roadmap or what idea should be implemented, what should we work on. For security, I am putting up my name. Would it be possible that you can take responsibility for the AIML working group, basically leading it?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, thank you.
oh great,
Yeah. So after
thanks.
this meeting, we will set the calendar for different meetings, working group meetings, and according to that, we will um, throw out the timings and set the set set the people, and let's see where it goes. Yeah, thank you.
I had a question. The EBPF tasks are currently in which working group?
EBPF, I think last time, so the current work that Shubham Jain is doing, that would come under the security working group. But as
Oh,
we previously discussed, that right now not everyone is focusing dedicatedly on EBPF, so let's not create a working group at this moment. But if you think that that if some, like, we have more engagement on EBPF part, then like always feel free to create another working group or just let us know.
no, I think so. We already have a lot of working groups for now, so
Yeah,
no need to go with another one.
sure.
Okay, anything else from anyone's side?
I see a new face, Chaitanya. Is it your first time, or maybe I forgot your presence previously? Chaitanya Palli.
Hello, hi, I'm Chaitanya.
Hey,
I
Hey, Chetan.
I I work collaboratively on cryptography and cryptanalysis. So I somehow found your profile and all these things happen. I'm just following what you guys are doing. It's very interesting and exciting. But I have a computers and math background, so I'm completely new to this. But I also work on PQC.
oh
So this
wow,
is my brief. Yeah.
wow. We're really happy to like see you here.
Thank you. Thank you. Same here. Same here.
Yeah.
And are
Just
you
be a mute
currently previously
spectator for a while.
Sorry.
I'll just be a mute spectator for a while because this is all new to me. Wherever PQC is there, I will definitely follow.
Yeah, we will send you a meeting calendar invite for PQC working group, and
Sure, sure.
like I would really love if you can join those meetings. Right now,
Definitely. Looking forward to
yeah,
it.
right now you are you work like independently. You're a student, or
Yeah, I'm working as a research scientist at one of the research institutes located in Hyderabad.
oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. What is that research institute called?
CRO, Advanced Institute of Mathematics, Statistics, and
Oh,
Computer Science. Yeah,
interesting.
just
Very,
be
very
aware
good.
of it.
Yeah.
that's
Thanks,
great.
thanks.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine. Yeah.
And Shatam, if you are there, like, there are a couple of updates from your end. Yeah. Like, is there any update on the this one, MCP server that uses EPF?
No, no, currently no updates from my side.
Oh, okay. Okay then.
Yeah. So I think action items are clear. So
Mm.
Also, Satyam, I will be working along with you for the AI/ML part. So please share me the invite for that meeting.
perfect.
Yeah. I mean, like, Shivank Shankar will add those working group calendar to share with everyone. I mean, like, those everyone who are in the tech meeting list. So you will get it back. Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
So if nothing is for discussion, then we can end this meet. So,
Also, Aditya, don't forget to bring some goodies for us.
yeah.
Yeah, for you and Wafi, I will bring this time. Not for Shubham
Okay,
Shankar. He already got a lot of goodies.
okay.
Okay, thank you.